Hi, I'm Dr. Terry Overton. I'm a certified chiropractic sports practitioner, and my specialty is sports injuries. I work with my wife.
Hi, I'm Dr. Doreen Lewis Overton. I'm a doctor of chiropractic who's board certified nutrition, board certified internal diagnostics, and I also do acupuncture. So we look at the body very holistically. And our favorite patients are the patients that have been told it's all in their head. Been there, done that. So we actually look for the root cause of the problem. So we invite you to come in so we can bless your body. And our number here is 490-9169.